Satisfactory today. I am Tremor Borea, and we need cooling system. Nitrogen. Oh, there we go. Nitrogen. Right there, baby. I mean, if we've got this here, we might as well use that one right there. Right? Like, this goes to the factory. Everything goes to the factory. Here there be monsters. Hey, man. Cool. Should you be exploding things over nitrogen gas? Is that... I couldn't make it look nice. I tried over and over again, but it's on a slope. These things are all on different planes. I mean, they're all on the ground, but... So I just made it look industrial ugly? Is that a thing? That's a thing now. Now I've said it. It's just gas, so we don't care about flow or anything. Like, gas just pressurizes, right? I hope so. And we connected it here, because you care about that. And I brought it to here, and there. And now I'm gonna run it home. We needed water. It was boring. You didn't miss anything. Except that's the closest water, and it travels under here. But if I have to bring down more belts, it'd be in the way. So I had to build this off one to the side, and then the pillar was ugly, so I had to get it not quite lined. You know what? This is boring. I mean, that nitrogen would be right in the way of me dropping a conveyor belt waterfall, but that's fine. I brought them to here. I don't know what we're doing yet. We need other machines, so we'll just leave those pipes there for now. We'll get some stuff in. We'll run some things to it. It'll be a good time. We need alclad aluminum sheets, and we need a lot of them. I have a plan to make it all fit. I didn't say it was a good plan. It just said it was a plan. Like this? Yes, yes. Good. Better. Perfect. Wonderful. Marvelous. And then this one, we just do a little sneaky one right here underneath. Perfect. Same. Okay. So that's just slightly off center, right? Splitter. 2 splitters. We'll get rid of this line. We'll remove that. We'll put this line back. Segmented. Line back. Yes. And then one of these. And then this goes here. Why am I yelling this? Aluminum. Copper. Okay? Same thing. Except I'm just gonna move this line. Splitter. Belt. Lift. And another belt. Beautiful. And copper. Done. Video over. What did we need to do now? Alclad. How many do I want? I don't know. I think we need 75 of each. Or of both. I switched it. Literally, I moved the part that was over there over here. Because I'm gonna put machines here. Right now. We tied into the copper. We brought it up here. It goes to this. I would have shown you putting this together, but it was a mess. It splits here, it goes that way, it goes up. You've seen this before. This is how we fit many machines in one little area that I did not hook all of them up. Let's just finish this. Ta-da! We need more machines. Those are all making copper sheets. I mean, they're not now, but they will be. I don't know how to do this. I guess we just do the same thing with the belts. We probably just cut that out of the episode. This took me too long because I'm stupid. The copper we're making just has to be split. The aluminum sheets we're making just go into those machines. I lined them up for that. But then I spent all this time doing that stupid belt over. It doesn't matter. Every time it autosaves, I think I just crashed it. What do we need now? We just need a blender? In. Rubber, water, nitrogen. We have all those things. Yo, I straight up hate that. We can build so much stuff in there. we'd have so much more room for activities. We're gonna bring the rubber over all the machines anyway, so we might as well just have those pipes go up. Maybe not over the rubber, but beside it would be good, right? We'll just bring these right to here. We'll have the rubber come out there. Why is none of the rubber moving? Why are all the machines idling? What has happened? Power has not failed, but none of the rubber is moving. And the fuel generators are dependent on residue from the rubber. I fixed the rubber. I had to put this machine in the floor because it's too tall to just chill under here. So I just dropped it down in the floor. The rubber was grinding to a halt because not enough of it was being used. The one extra rubber that's going across this belt right now plugged up the whole thing. We have this one into this machine. These two machines have been here the whole time scrapping this plastic and rubber because we just needed the residue from it to make the fuel for the generators so we have power. Other things will be fed into this machine as we go. Possibly this whole aluminum line I'm not using. And I built this, which is just the pipes and the rubber that we talked about 2 hours ago. Little bit of clippage there, but I'm okay with that. And it comes down here into this machine, and now we have so much more room for activities. I was a little off in my measurements right at the beginning here when I moved that stuff over. I didn't need to do that because it was supposed to line up perfectly with that input, and it doesn't. We will need to split it twice. It's making parts for the rocket propulsion system as well, which we were gonna do today, but we're not now. Yeah, we'll split it right here. So these turbo motors will also be split. Oh, we're gonna get them online today too. That's cool. Hook this one right up to here. Perfect. And we're gonna put a little hole here in the floor and a little lift down, which would be a drop. Then we're gonna go over to that bin, except I don't have any aluminum left. Right there. Yes? Yes, everything is aligned. Marvelous. What have I forgotten to do? I feel like I've forgotten something. I distinctly remember telling these machines what to do. Copper sheets. All. Cooling unit. Yes. Where are the turbo motors? What's going on here? Why is it red? Because it doesn't have power. Ta-da! Look at that go. Turbo motor. Success! Turbo motor. That was fast. That's the end of today's video. We did cooling unit. Turbo motor's now going. Power ground to a halt for some reason over one rubber. You have a good day. Thank you for watching. Not all gamers are pro.